Energy efficiency and renewable energy are really two of the big parts of the project. Energy efficiency is baked into a lot of the design that you will see, so everything from a really heavy insulation on the walls and the roof, including a green roof with soil that helps to really hold in heat and temperature, glazing that has triple glazing to reduce sort of the energy loads inherent from solar radiation and things like that, as well as the production systems that we have.
Our principal approach to sustainability is that the first thing that you do is reduce how much you're using as much as possible before you worry about generating new electricity. So not using it in the first place is the best. So we employed technologies like LED lighting, energy efficient systems to lessen the burden on the solar arrays and the different equipment that's needed to offset the energy use throughout the year.
This project, Theodore Roosevelt Presidential Library, has a geothermal well system, reducing the overall energy use. It has in-floor radiant heating and an energy recovery system, which helps also reduce the energy load. We are going to provide on-site photovoltaic power, which not only is going to supply renewable power, but it's also shading some of our spaces.
The building has an incredible standard for being completely self-sufficient energy-wise, and that also impacted how we can think about lighting to reduce energy use, or interactive pieces where, for example, projectors dim when there are no visitors in the gallery, and they only come to life when there is a true need for that energy output that the projectors do.
The Energy Petal is one of the hardest ones to deal with as someone working in technology. We have a lot of power-hungry systems. We have graphical processing units and AI servers that will need to be running on site. And so we made sure that the equipment that we're using is very energy efficient and that the power consumption is kept to a minimum as much as possible so that we can leverage the solar, the photovoltaics, and all the renewables that we're planning to use.
We incorporated a lot of low energy strategies like radiant slabs, chilled beams, things like that, basically trying to move as little air as possible but still keep the building comfortable.
We went through in great detail and made sure that everything from adhesives to paper use and ultimately to energy use and to heating use allowed us to live within the boundaries of a sustainable building. It really helped to honor Theodore Roosevelt's legacy. He himself, of course, famously said, "Do what you can with what you have, where you are." And that's exactly what we did.